Hey, what's up guys? Just a quick alternator install tip. So when you go to put your new alternator in, you might notice it's kind of stiff to go over this mounting surface. It's like you're pushing really hard to get it to go in and you can't line it up. So what you want to do is get it out of the vehicle and put it on the ground. And over here where it screws in, this is actually a spacer, and when you tighten it down, it pulls the spacer into the mounting surface. So what you want to do is back off that spacer a little bit to give you a lot more room to put this on. So what you want to do is you want to take the bolt and you want to thread it in about 5 or 6 threads into the nut mounting spacer. And then what you want to do is hold the alternator with one hand, and with the other hand just kind of gently hit the bolt over a little bit. Don't mess up the bolt or the threads, but this will push the spacer out. So then when you go to put this on, it'll just freely go on there, and you can line the bolt up a lot easier. You don't have to struggle and fight it. So see, when I go back over it, it has way more ease and room. And then you could just put your bolt in and keep it moving. And that's it. So hope this video helped you out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.